Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abu Setale, and in this channel I share with you everything fashion related. So if this is the first time you are seeing any of our videos or visiting our channel, you are especially welcome to the family. Please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to perfectly join a princess dart bustier. Some time ago I made a video of how to draft it using a pattern paper. So if you missed that video, I have the link to the video in the description box below. You can go there, you have the opportunity to watch the video. So guys, let's focus on the business of the day, which is how to perfectly join a princess dart bustier, and as well how to iron it out after joining. If that's something you all would love to see, then let's go straight to this video. Guys, these are the front pieces I'm going to be using to make this tutorial. I have the center front and I have the two side fronts. I already padded it using my wadding and my soft breast pad. The first thing I'm going to do is to take this center front, and I'm going to take the side front that belongs to this part, and I'm going to place it on it like this. I'm going to make sure the thing is the same thing here. Then I'm going to place it on it, and I'm just going to sew it down. When I get here, I will just start sewing on the curve, just like that. Put it together and sew it. So this is what I'm going to do when I take it to the sewing machine. I'm going to do this to this side, and I'll do the same thing to the other side. So guys, let's get started. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. When you get to this point, you stop and back stitch 2 times. After doing that, then you start sewing the curve just the same way I demonstrated on the table before bringing it to the sewing machine. You're just going to start sewing the curve like that till you get to the end. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Guys, as you can see, we are done sewing the first part. It is very easy. I'm going to be making a notch here. Now I'm going to turn it out to show you guys how it is looking. You see, it's already coming out nice even without ironing. So by the time we are done ironing, you will see how it will look so nice. Now let's move to the other side. I'm going to be starting from the armhole here. You see, I have like ½ inch here, so I'm going to be leaving ½ inch before I start sewing. So I'm just going to place it on it, leaving ½ inch, then I'll start sewing. When you get to this point again, you back stitch just the same way we did for the first one. Then you turn it and you sew a straight line. As you can see guys, we have exactly the same thing here. No one is longer. Why? Because we left ½ inch before starting. So I'm just going to sew a straight line now, and that's all for the sewing. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. Now guys, it's time to iron it out. I'm going to be opening it up like this, just the same way you see me doing it, and I'm going to place my iron on it. I'll do it to this side and I'll do the same thing to the other side, just like this. Open it up and iron. So after ironing it from the back like this, I'm going to turn the front and iron it as well. Now guys, I'm going to be ironing the curve, and I'm going to bring my ball. This is tailor's ball. I don't know what you guys call it, but me, I call it a ball. So I'm going to place my ball on it, and I'll place my fabric, and I'll just start ironing it.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
So basically guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. You see, this is how to join and iron out your princess dart bustier. It is very easy. You see how it came out so nice. So this is how to do it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you all in my next video. Bye.